Hey, it's Aaron, and if you're watching this right now, maybe you're checking out the Freshbooks affiliate program, and maybe you're wondering, is this a good way for you to make money online? Let's check it all out. We're going to go through it, see how you can actually get set up, start making some money by promoting Freshbooks. Okay, now Freshbooks is a very, very popular accounting application for all different types of businesses, for accountants, for small business, for contractors, right? But the cool thing is that you can also recommend them to people that are interested in setting up their accounting from home, right? It's a very, very easy to use software on the cloud. It's really, really cool, all right? And you can actually get paid just for recommending this to other people, right? So if you already have a following, maybe you've got an email list, maybe you've got a blog that talks about business, maybe you can, you have access to a lot of different business owners, maybe you have a TikTok channel, right, where you talk about business and people are setting up their own businesses, then you can recommend FreshBooks to them and get paid a little commission, right? So this is how it works. You come onto FreshBooks, right, and you come to the affiliate program. And basically, you can click on it right here. And I'll show you how to set it up in a second. But they basically use Share a Sale, which is a very large affiliate network, to run their affiliate program. Okay, so how it works is kind of like this. Okay, so first of all, if you get someone as a free trial, you can earn up to $10. So it just depends on that actual trial. And then if they become a full member, then you can earn up to $200 per paid subscribe. Now this depends on if they take a monthly offer, if they take an annual offer, if they're taking up some sort of deal. So it depends, all right? It's going to vary. So it's not $200 per sale. It's up to $200 depending on the plan that they take. And we'll talk about that a little bit more, all right? Now they've got basically a 120-day cookie, which is really good, all right? So what a cookie is when somebody clicks on your affiliate link, if they leave your page, they don't buy straight away, but then they go back to freshbooks.com, the main page, as long as it's within 120 days, which is 4 months, you will still get credit because the last person they clicked on the affiliate link was your affiliate link. Okay, it's really good. 120 days is super long. After that, it resets, and then if there's another affiliate or if they just go straight to the website, then you're not going to get credit for that sale. Okay, but 120 days is pretty darn good, and they can always click on your affiliate link again and again and again within 120 days. Okay, they've got a dedicated affiliate team, and they've got some poaching protection here, which is pretty cool. All right, and that's essentially it. All right, so let me show you exactly how this works. Okay, so if you were to click right here to sign up for the program, you would be led to this page. All right, now unfortunately at the time of recording this video, they're pretty full. All right, so what they're looking for is they're only looking for experienced affiliates. So if you're a beginner, unfortunately this is not really going to be a good fit for you because they've got so many people promoting it. They're really only looking for people that have a following. Okay, and if you have a following, if you have an audience, if you've got a big website, a big blog where you talk to business owners, maybe you've got an accounting or finance based blog, right? And you can just email a whole bunch of people, write an article, and you're going to get a whole bunch of people to sign up with FreshBooks. Then you can email them at affiliates@freshbooks.com, give them your stats, and then they can decide whether or not to open it up to you, if that makes sense. Okay, you can also try and go to Share a Sale, find FreshBooks and sign up there. It might be a slightly slower process, but just so that you know that there are two ways that you can do this. Okay, if you're a beginner, don't worry, stick around. I'm going to show you another cool way to generate some income if this is not quite right for you. All right, so just to give you an idea, if you were a customer coming to FreshBooks and you wanted to sign up, you can see that they have the monthly plans and the yearly plan. All right, so at the time of recording this, and this changes all the time, they've got a flash sale where they're giving 90% off for the first 4 months. That's why it looks so cheap. Okay, so it says $380 per month for the next 4 months. That's super duper cheap. Okay, normally it's $38 a month for Plus, and it's $65 a month for Premium. All right, so it doesn't really cost $380. It's actually a little bit more, but now they've got a flash sale. I think it's really awesome. They lock people in, and the thing about accounting softwares is if you use this and you like it, people are going to use it for a long time. I mean, people could end up using FreshBooks for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years if they like the software, right? I mean, this is just a must-have in any business. Once you start using something like this, it's very difficult to migrate or use something else, all right? So just know that the sticky rate is really, really high, all right? I think FreshBooks is doing really, really well, all right? Or you can look at the yearly plan. So if somebody buys the yearly plan straight up, then this is where you can make bigger commissions. So they might pay $273 for the Plus program and $468 for the Premium level for FreshBooks. Okay, so that's kind of how it works. So just so that you understand the price points. But for you, basically, if you were to promote this, it would be $10, up to $10 for the free trial, and up to $200 per paid subscription, right? And they do a monthly recurring, so that's pretty cool as well, right? So if you are experienced, if you have the right audience, I would go ahead and just write to them, affiliates@freshbooks.com, if you want to start promoting FreshBooks. If you're a beginner though, this may not be the right one for you because you do need a little bit of a following to be able to promote programs properly, all right? If you don't have a big blog, a big website, maybe you don't have a big following on social media, it's going to be really difficult to start promoting something like this because you have no one to promote to, even though it is a great affiliate program, all right? Now, if you're watching this video right now and this is the first time that you're on my channel, on this channel, I've reviewed tons of different ways to make money online, hundreds and hundreds of different of strategies, right? I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, right? All sorts of business models as well. One of our favorite ways here is to generate income through affiliate marketing. I've actually made millions online through affiliate marketing. There is a very specific step-by-step way to do it. And if you would like to learn how to do that, so you can do the same, you can just model what we're teaching. You could do it on the side. Maybe eventually, if you work hard at it, it could replace your full-time income. We've got a full training, a full masterclass for free. If you want to check it out, just click the link right below this video. I hope you enjoyed this review of the affiliate program by FreshBooks. I wish you all the best, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.